phone banking also comes by video chatting.
So means what? How is it? Like the video I have to say deposit my money, somebody will deposit.
But in video you give your account number, then your account will be hacked.
But password is not given.
But if you can see on Flipkart or Amazon or any shopping site, if you're buying something and if you not
e-commerce now we can buy online also.
Let me finish. If you are not cash on delivery, if you are not
Most of the buyers do cash on delivery only. Most of the buyers do cash on delivery.
But who give cash from the internet? They had to give their passwords and account number. Then there many hijackers.
It is not compulsory that you buy, and they know that there is danger in that account. They know that.
But who pay cash on internet?
Sir, they have to come and they will scratch.
What? No.
Because of that, so many advertisement also comes on TV that many of them have cancers also because of smoking.
Sir, in Z channel, they are showing about it is not advantage for human anyhow. Liquor, wine. Wine.
Sir, tobacco also. One more.
Wine and liquor. You can give why science have developed wine cigarettes.
Science industry developed there. After eating, when you drink beer, it is good for digestion. But we understand that it is not good for us. Who has a power?
It causes cancer.
But it is not cancer. It is good for digestive system.
This is not bad thinking of
It is cured by science.
Cigarette.
100% people are cured.
It blocks our lungs. Cigarette.
I object that it is we have to use that cigarettes or alcohol and all that in cold places, not here. That's it.
People use
They are using illegally. We are yes. They are using it.
They have used. For
We can get. But it is not made. Industries are made used in cold places like.
Science is not responsible for the usage. Science made something good.
But these things are not good.
For that, government has to come in action. Science is not
But
responsible
sir,
for
who
that.
had developed this?
No, liquor and
Science is developed. Sir, Desi Miller is also developed. See, liquor is developed by the pulps of that is not and they are decayed. Means in a box they are decayed after that the
this
smell
is just a
and
modified way. Otherwise, cigarette, at the time of Duryodhana also they used to smoke.
Yes.
No, sir.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
They used to have that smoke, big pipe.
Yes, sir.
Sir, hindi hookah tha. She had told hookah tha.
Who said?
Sir Jahangir.
No, sir.
From there.
Oh, it's okay. So she's recording everything. So that's
Sir,
fine.
in Rajasthan also they are using their hookah.
Hookah no there. It's not so. Cigarette is
Shallow.
only modified
Sir,
form.
but it is not
But
harmful
if
than
they
this
take it,
cigarette.
it is harmful. It is
Harmful.
not harmful.
No. Hookah is not harmful.
Sir, in Goa, all of them
Older
drink
people are
hookah.
using
In
hookah.
Goa.
They are using when they were young also. They old and nicely they have reached their old age.
So in Goa, excessive amount of hookah is being sold there, and also some of the people drink there.
How do you know that?
Some because of the internet, you know, no? Because of the internet, you know. You have gone, but in the internet they have also given this. So what I have got.
Many teenagers' life are destroyed because of these drugs. Excessive amount they are taking the drugs.
But why do teenagers drink?
See, when it comes to smoking liquor, all of you suddenly started boiling. Means young generation can't live without it. Started boiling. Leave that topic. Okay, science did again a mistake.
No, sir, science did one more. Science did industries they did that.
Industries are making
Fruits and some vegetables and water. And after that, when you open after some days or
Sir, it is discovered by Louis Pasteur.
The smell is
That's what we have
the
studied in second chapter in 8th standard.
That is fragmentation developed.
Yes.
I also taught this. That is not developed. Sit down. Anything else?
Someone is delicate. Many teenagers are dead because of. But why they are drinking?
Yes.
Who is drinking?
Sir,
Who is drinking? Anybody here? Imani? And who is drinking? Who? Can you give me an example? He is drinking. Vikas is drinking.
So I just told them,
But then who is drinking? You should ask nobody is drinking. Give me
Yes.
example.
Utkarsh, you told that when teenagers died due to this. Their parents are dead. Their parents should.
life is destroyed, not died.
but why they are drinking?
No, why they're drinking?
Due to social networking from their friends.
Sir, she has another topic to discuss.
Yeah,
The
something.
biological weapons are also known as the poor man nuclear bomb. Biological agents like anthrax, viruses, causing epidemics, etc. are released into the air or water bodies to cause death and destruction by the enemies or terrorists. These weapons can be manufactured or cultured at a cheap cost and can be used without technical devices. Biological weapons work instantly through initially there may not be visible symptoms. It is believed that just 100 grams of anthrax released over a metropolitan city can kill about 3 million people.
If Pakistan.
Why only you? Why only you? I told you the problem with the team, and still you are doing the mistake same. Others let others respond. Why Weber unnecessary? You start completely out of the discussion. Ignore it. Please, better repeat for you.
Biological weapons are also known as the poor's man nuclear bomb. Biological agents like anthrax, viruses causing epidemics, etc. are released into the air or water bodies to cause death and destruction by the enemies or terrorists. These weapons can be manufactured or cultured at a cheap cost and can be used without technical devices. Biological weapons work instantly through initially they may be not visible symptoms. It is believed that just 100 grams of anthrax released over a metropolitan city can kill about 3 million people.
But as you told about epidemics, then it can be cured also.
How? My grandmother.
Your uncle and all the family members are living on science. See, I forgot. Yeah, biological. Yeah, she is mentioning about biological war. Biological war is always very dangerous. Like what happens, they create that kind of bacteria, and they will put it in some kind of pond or lake, Ajwa Lake. Now water is being supplied to entire Baroda by water lake, Ajwa Lake, and that water which comes to your tap and which you drink, and you will suffer with it. Within 24 hours you will be thick.
Someone gave new technologies aquaguard purified.
That's what I was coming about. I was coming to that. But in this population of Baroda, how many percent of people must be using aquaguard or any such purifier?
Sir, most of the people use.
No.
Sir, 80% of people use because 20% are poor.
No.
No, this is not.
Sir,
Using percent would be 40 or 45.
Sir, they drink due to some problems in their life.
They drink?
They drink due to some problems in their life. Yes, sir.
Alcohol. You are there only now. Alcohol, so what they are drinking?
Yes, sir.
They are drinking because of some problem in their life. It's okay. It's okay. We understood.
We should boil the water.
Poor people are doing it.
They filter the water from the lake. They take the water, then through a pipe. There's a chlorophyll.
But in many regions they are drinking the corporation water directly. They are thinking that this is a drinking water, so they drink water directly. So what you will do for them?
And many diseases like cholera and jaundice caused due to water.
Water.
But they are cured.
They are
Cured also.
Many people have jaundice also.
But it is not
It is a
in my class,
chronic disease,
because of the
body.
symptom, they didn't do the symptom. comes and this is occurring that jaundice, they didn't get and they didn't go to doctor. That's they died.
You don't have to get silent.
Yes, sir, you are correcting point, sir.
Okay. Yeah, Kunj.
Some of team sell desi beer and add some dangerous things to it, and the people drinking it are attracted to it.
Now what do you
Sir, one more point.
Okay, disadvantage is this side.
Yes, sir.
Somebody said this pizza burger. When? 5 minutes left.
People are becoming fat because of this eating junk food.
Sir,